Air India Flight 171. On June 12th, the first ever fatal Boeing 787 crash shocks the aviation world. Till date, what action taken by DGCA? Early July DGCA audit of Air India operations, 51 safety lapses flagged. Training and cockpit readiness under scrutiny. Mid-July, mandatory inspection of fuel control switch locking mechanisms across Boeing 787 and certain 737 aircraft. DGCA conducted a deep audit of Air India's Gurugram operations. Around 100 violations were identified. July 23rd, DGCA issued 4 show cause notices to Air India for breaches in cabin crew training, fatigue management and operational procedure compliance. On July 28th, grounding due to expired emergency equipment inspection. Structural oversight gaps. DGCA highlights systemic failures. Air India received 29 voluntary violation disclosures in recent years. Here are some global comments on Boeing and FAA.